All right, taking a look at number 10. We just write out what we have here. Up top, I have 5, A, times B times C, 6 of them. What do you have in the bottom? We have the number 20. We have a single 1A. We have 5 of these B's. B times itself 5 times, and then C times itself 4 times. So what we want to do is we want to cross out or simplify variables that are exactly the same. For example, this A and this A, they're the same number. Maybe they're both 7s, but either way, 7 divided by 7 is going to give you 1. So there's going to simplify to 1. That B and that B, cross out the 1s. That B and that B, cross out the 1s. And the C's, I got those going, those going, those going, those going. What about the 5 and 20? Well, with numbers, we need to simplify that fraction 5/20ths. Both 5 and 20 can be divided by 5, so that will become 1. That becomes 4. Now let's just clean it up. Up top, I have a whole bunch of 1s. Everything in red is a 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is just 1. How many A's do I have? A to the third. What there? C squared. In the bottom, I have a 4, and then I have these 3 B's right here, so B cubed. And that's it. Everybody else disappeared and became 1s. So there's the answer to number 10. Number 11. I'm going to write it down here. -4, A, B, C, all divided by the number 10. And then I have AB multiplied by itself 4 times, B multiplied by itself twice, and C again 6 times. Okay, well, let's deal with our variables first. A's go away, simplify to 1s. B's. Now C, that's all I see. I now need to deal with the 4 and the 10. They both can be divided by 2. That becomes a 2, that becomes a 5. Now the negative will stay there, so the top is still -2. And then I have a B. In the bottom here, I have a 5. A times A is A squared. And then how many C's do you see there? C to the 5th. I double check. I have a B up top, A, C below. I don't have anybody. I still don't have like a C up here. Because if I did, that means I didn't simplify all the way. Okay? Always double check when you have this with fractions that you don't have a common variable up top and down below. Because if so, you should have crossed them out and made it simplify a little bit more.